Hi guys, this is Schwaku7. I'm in my recreation room gym, and today I'd like to do an unboxing video. And this is on a body solid rower attachment that I bought from Temu. Came intact. So let's open it up and let's see what we got here. This is what the box looks like. And the gross weight is 21 kilograms or 46.3 pounds. This is what the box looks like when you open it. Inside there are two more boxes which are sealed. And this is what the two boxes look like when you open them. So there's a lot of packaging involved. And these are the parts that were inside the two boxes. And then when you lift the boxes up, there's the main frame. On the back of the flyer is more information about warranty registration, assembly guides and manuals, product attachments and accessories, product videos, workout guides. And here's a in-home warranty for the frame and welds, lifetime, for the pulleys, bushings, bearings, hardware, plates, the guide rods, a lifetime warranty, cables, upholstery, and grips, a lifetime warranty. And on the back is the registration card that I'm supposed to fill out, cut off, and mail. And this was all the hardware that was in the plastic bag. And I hope it's all here, because according to the guide, I'm supposed to have more bolts. According to the guide, I'm supposed to have 6 button head cap screws, M8 by 55 millimeters, plus 2 button head cap screws, M8 by 40 millimeters, 4 socket head cap screws, 5/8 by 35 millimeters, 4 socket head cap screws, 5/8 by 20 millimeters, and 8 button head cap screws, M8 by 20 millimeters. And as you can see, I only have 4, 8, 10, 12 screws total. Even the washers seem strange, because according to this, I'm supposed to have 6 curved washers. I have 2. I'm supposed to have 22 flat washers, M8. I have 8. I'm supposed to have 12 lock washers, M8, and I have 8. And I'm supposed to have 10 nylon lock nuts, M8, and I have none. According to this guide, some of the bolts are pre-assembled, but the bolts and washers I just listed doesn't have any indication that they were pre-assembled. But I'm going to try to put this together anyway. And I'm hoping that the missing washers and nuts and bolts are already pre-assembled. And there's only one way to find out, and that's to try to put it together with the parts I have. Step 1 is complete, and step 1 was connecting the front stabilizer with 2 bolts and washers, and the rear stabilizer with 4 bolts. Step 2 is semi-complete. And I didn't complete it because I want to show you how to do this. Step 2 is attaching the center bracket with 4 bolts. And they give you Allen wrenches to tighten the bolts with for all the bolts that you'll receive in this exercise equipment. And then take these 2 rods and push them through the foot pedals. There's 2 holes, so you just run it through. And then after you run it through, okay, so now the foot pedals are here. You have 2 end caps, and you just attach it to the rod. And I'll show you how to do that. It's real easy. So the 2 end caps are on. Just take the Allen wrench they provide and just tighten it. So step 2 is complete, and believe it or not, the roller attachment is complete, because step 3 is to attach this crossbar, which has already been attached. So it was already pre-assembled. So step 2 is complete, and the assembly is complete because step 3 was to attach that crossbar, which was already attached. This body solid rowing machine attachment was sold on Temu for $213.47. But I requested a $30 off coupon and received it. So after I used a $30 coupon, I paid a subtotal of $183.47. I also paid $14.68 sales tax for a grand total of $198.15. And I could have paid more. For instance, Amazon is selling the same body solid rower attachment for $270. This is a video on Amazon about it. And I have 6 different exercise machines with lower cable pulley. It's only made sense for me to buy this. And what I'm interested in doing is using it to do horizontal leg presses. And I'll also do it for seated rows. But since I already have a vertical leg press machine and an angular leg press machine, I wanted a horizontal leg press machine. Okay, I'm ready to try it out. And I have this underneath my cross cable machine. I can use it like a horizontal leg press. Or I can use it to row. Or I can do both. So this does exactly what I hoped it to do. Because the problem with any exercise machine is that eventually, no matter how expensive it is or how overbuilt it is, you'll run into the problem of muscular accommodation, which is when your muscular endurance, size, and strength gains stop because your body adapts. It becomes accustomed to the exercise, the way you do the exercise, and the exercise tool. Which is why Louis Simmons of Westside Barbell advised to rotate exercises, the way you do exercises, and exercise tools, and even strength training methods every 2 weeks or so. And I have many different types of leg exercise machines, which includes 6 ways to do belt squats, and I have 3 different leg extension leg curl machines, and I have a standing hip abductor machine and a hip abduction, extension, and flexion machine, and 2 monoliths where I can do squats on my Titan T3 half rack and my Fitness Reality power rack, and so on. I like to rotate exercises, and even though I have a leg sled right here, and I have a vertical leg press machine, I can do leg presses at an angle on this machine, and I can do vertical leg presses on my vertical leg press machine, but this allows me to do horizontal leg presses, as well as rowing, which will help my pull-up numbers. Okay guys, that's all for this video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you'll be notified when I upload new YouTube videos. And as always, thanks for watching.